The sneezing elephant. At the zoo, there was an elephant named Ellie who had a big problem. She couldn't stop sneezing. Every time Ellie sneezed, her trunk would blow out a huge blast of air, and it would send her zookeeper's hat flying into the lion's den. The lions thought it was a game and would bring it back each time. One day, the zookeeper had an idea. He gave Ellie a giant, soft handkerchief. The next time she felt a sneeze coming, Ellie grabbed the handkerchief with her trunk and sneezed into it. The zookeeper's hat stayed on his head, and everyone at the zoo clapped and cheered. Ellie was so happy she gave a big, sneeze-free trumpet. From that day on, Ellie always had her handkerchief ready, and the zookeeper kept his hat on its head where it belonged.